This is the Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at gold and silver. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock market ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have gold, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, just a quick review. You can see where it ran up. It's kind of a sideways action, and then basically a series of lower highs, and then came all the way down. Now, it came down to this 1823.50, which is basically a nice double bottom off of this 1810. Okay, very, very nice. So it gapped up and then it just kept right on running here. So let's take a look here on the upside. So what we want to do here is this 2019.70 is going to be very, very crucial. Okay, so a close above that. And then what we have here is you have 2022. Okay, that will be the next level. Okay, so we got to see if we can go above this, or is it going to double top? That's the question. So here on the weekly, we can see it better. So you look at that 2022, that's this candle right here. Okay, so now, again, if you can get above that, then we come to this candle right here. Okay, this candle right here is 2027. And then we just keep on looking basically to the left here. Okay, you got 2049 here. We have on this candle here, you have 2056. We have 2063. And then your big retest up here is 2085. The whole thing is going to hinge on this 2022, this candle right here. Okay, so again, if we can get above, then we can have a rally here. Just look at all the candlesticks all the way up to 2085 here. So let's look at the downside. Well, when you look at the downside here, this is going to be key, is going to be this 8 SMA here. Okay, so that's 1995. Okay, right now, real time is sitting at 1999. So you have just a little ways to go. And then what we do is we just follow these candlesticks right on down here. Okay, so you got 1986 here. You have 1981, 1973. We have 1964. And then we have right here, you got 1957. And then we start getting into all the really key support levels here. So then you want to look at this 200 SMA here, sitting right there at 1946. Right below that is your Hondo, sitting at 1943. And then we have basically 1933, which is your 50-day and your 21-day. Now you can see how this is curling up. If this can push up through there, that could take that price up above this 219, definitely to this candle here at that 2022. And then once you get above that price channel there, then we could ratchet all the way up back up to this 2085. But that's still, what to be said. Now, when you look at the RSI here, well, you're kind of like an oversold, overbought territory here. You're coming on the way down. Your MACD is still very bullish here. Looks like it wants to roll over, but nothing as of yet here. On your weekly here, your MACD is still very, very bullish here. Yeah, you're about mid-range, 57 here. You got plenty of room to run down and up. So this isn't really telling you just a whole lot right there. The key is going to be right there, that 2019, this 2022 on the upside, and this key 8 SMA here on the downside. All right, take a look here at silver. Okay, here we have silver, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, when you look at this, let me just get a little broader view there. Okay, well, you had a high at 26.43, and then right here, bottom line, you double topped. Okay, came on down, sold all the way up. Now, if you look at this pattern right here, okay, you got a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Okay, that could just flip right around here very easy and send it right back up to that price here. The key is going to be a close above that 23.88. Okay, if you can get back above that, then what we do is you can just follow these candles all the way on up here, but you'll be looking for this candle right here. Okay, so he's looking at roughly 25.42. This is what you'd be looking for here if you can close above this key 23.88. But there is a lot of more resistance here above this. Okay, so you got this 23, basically 45. That is going to be key. Okay, right here, mid-term, near term, you got 23.15 here. That is your 50-day and your 8 SMA here. You really need to go above there. See how we had here, this top of this candle here, This was 23.88. And then on this candle here, a retest there, 23.75. So you got that double top right here again in play here. And now she's got a big ass red candle here today, selling right on off. Okay, so on the downside here, well, you want to always look at today's low. You got 22.99. Then we come to this candle right here. You got 22.77 here. And then we're looking for this 22.56. This is your 21 day. Very, very critical. As long as it holds this. If it doesn't, you can come all the way down here, do a retest here. Okay, so just quick review here. Watch the 8, the 50 day, and this 200 SMA here. It needs to close above that. That way it would give you a chance at this 23.88 retest here. Okay, and then a possible, if it can get above that, then we look to this candle right here. Okay, that's sitting at 24.05. Then we can just follow the candles all the way up here until we get a retest all the way up here in the 25 level. Now, here on your RSI here, it's just neither way here. Your MACD here is bullish here. Your green's above your red. Very nice here. Now, let's take a look here on the weekly chart. Well, okay, so you got this key 200 SMA here. That's going to be very critical, 22.80. You can see how it's been holding here, the 100 and the 200 day here. Spike down for the week, spike down for a week, but close back up here. So we got to see how this all. Now you can see how it spiked up here, but it just couldn't close above this key 50 SMA here and that key 21 SMA here. That is very, very critical for this to go higher. Okay, so bottom line here, you just have to watch these key SMAs here on the downside. Now even this 8 SMA here at 23 flat, if you can go below that, then we could have that retest here, 20.85, very, very easy. You got to get above and close above these key SMAs here. You got that 23.46, but this is going to be all lined up here. See, 23.44 and this right here, 23.46. So roughly, if you can close above all this and say 23.50, okay, close above this, then you got a shot here, you got a shot here, you got a shot here, and then you can go rally all the way up to there. All right, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching.